Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to easily fill Adblue in your Land Rover Discovery Sport. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent skin or eye irritation. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely switched off. This ensures a safe and stable environment for the refilling process. Now, let's find the Adblue filler. In most Land Rover Discovery Sport models, it is conveniently located right next to the diesel fuel filler, often identifiable by its blue cap. If you are unsure, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise location. Once found, gently twist the cap counterclockwise to open it slowly and carefully, preparing for the refill. With the cap open, it is time to fill. Use a clean, dedicated Adblue filling spout or a funnel to prevent any spills or contamination. Begin pouring the Adblue slowly and steadily into the tank. It is crucial to avoid overfilling. Stop when the level reaches the maximum indicator. Typically, you might add between 5 and 10 liters, depending on your vehicle's needs. Once you have finished filling, securely replace the Adblue filler cap by twisting it clockwise until it is tight. If any Adblue has spilled, clean it immediately with a damp cloth to prevent crystallization. Finally, start your engine and allow it to run for a few minutes. This gives the vehicle system time to register the new Adblue level, clearing any warning messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.